In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a Robinhood Gold membership using the mobile app. Robinhood Gold is a premium subscription that gives you access to extra investing features like advanced market data, larger instant deposits, and additional research tools. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner to open your account menu. After that, go to the menu or settings section and look for the Robinhood Gold option. Tap on it to continue. On the Robinhood Gold page, you'll see information about the membership benefits, monthly subscription cost, and any available trial offers. Take a moment to review the features so you understand what is included with the membership. If you decide to continue, tap the button to start or upgrade to Robinhood Gold. Robinhood may ask you to confirm your billing information and agree to the subscription terms before activation. Carefully review the payment details, especially if a free trial is included, so you know when regular charges may begin. After confirming the subscription, your Robinhood Gold membership should become active immediately or within a short time. You can then access eligible Gold features directly from your account settings and investing sections inside the app. To verify that your membership is active, return to the Robinhood Gold section where you should see your subscription status and billing details. If you do not see the Gold option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that your account is fully verified. Some features and eligibility requirements may vary depending on your region and account type. And that's how you can sign up for a Robinhood Gold membership. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.